The book of Isaiah, Yeshayahu, chapter 61. The Spirit of the Master Yah is upon me, because YAHUAH has anointed me to bring good news to the meek. He has sent me to bind up the brokenhearted, to proclaim release to the captives, and the opening of the prison to those who are bound, to proclaim the acceptable year of YAHUAH and the day of vengeance of our Elohim, to comfort all who mourn, to appoint unto those who mourn in Tsiyon, to give them embellishment for ashes, the oil of joy for mourning, the garment of praise for the spirit of heaviness. And they shall be called trees of righteousness, a planting of YAHUAH to be adorned. And they shall rebuild the old ruins, raise up the former wastes. And they shall restore the ruined cities, the wastes of many generations. And strangers shall stand and feed your flocks, and the sons of the foreigner be your plowmen and your vine dressers. But you shall be called priests of YAHUAH, servants of our Elohim shall be said of you. You shall consume the strength of the nations and boast in their esteem. Instead of your shame and reproach, they rejoice a second time in their portion. Therefore, they take possession a second time in their land. Everlasting joy is theirs. For I, YAHUAH, love right ruling. I hate robbery for ascending offering. And I shall give their reward in truth, and make an everlasting covenant with them. And their seed shall be known among the nations, and their offspring in the midst of the peoples. All who see them shall acknowledge them, that they are the seed YAHUAH has blessed. I greatly rejoice in YAHUAH. My being exults in my Elohim. For he has put garments of deliverance on me. He has covered me with the robe of righteousness, as a bridegroom decks himself with ornaments, and as a bride adorns herself with her jewels. For as the earth brings forth its bud, as the garden causes the seed to shoot up, so the Master Yah causes righteousness and praise to shoot up before all the nations.